For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The Indian Council of Medical Research validated 1,000 testing laboratories in the country as infections continue to rise. Out of the 1,000 COVID-19 testing laboratories, 736 are government setups and 270 are private. With 1,000 laboratories in the country, ICMR has conducted more than 7 million COVID-19 tests. According to ICMR, a total of 71,37,716 samples have been tested till June 22nd.
This is an important milestone in the fight against coronavirus. Since the beginning, we have been focusing on 3 T's: testing, tracking, and treating to fight the disease. Through increased testing, we are fighting this virus.
The ICMR said that the country is currently testing 1.9 lakh samples a day. The ICMR aims at establishing a testing laboratory in every district of India. ICMR instructed all states and union territories to scale up testing by deploying a combination of various testing methods. The apex medical body also recommended additional new strategies for COVID-19 testing. ICMR allowed use of antigen testing to fast-track testing and tracing infections, easing the burden of RT-PCR tests.
It is now recommended to use standard Q COVID-19 AG detection test as a point of care diagnostic array for testing in the containment zones as well as hospitals in combination with the gold standard RT-PCR test.
The antigen detection test includes detection of the presence of nucleocapsid protein, which is present in SARS-CoV-2. The test includes the collection of only nasopharyngeal swab, and the test results can be obtained between 15 to 30 minutes. Moreover, antigen test results can be obtained within 15 to 30 minutes, and it is also cheaper on the pocket. Antigen tests have a downside as the test may decrease accuracy. If a person tests positive for COVID-19 in the antigen detection test, an RT-PCR test need not be conducted. A person testing negative in the antigen detection test must undergo RT-PCR test since it is the gold standard frontline test for diagnosis of COVID-19. ICMR recommended a combination of RT-PCR and antigen testing in hotspots and high-risk zones. Antigen testing can be conducted on patients with influenza-like illness and severe acute respiratory infections. ICMR has given instruction to conduct antigen testing in the following settings. The tests can be conducted in all containment zones and red zones. Central and state government hospitals are permitted to carry out antigen tests. Private hospitals approved by National Accreditation Board for Hospitals and Healthcare can conduct tests. Private labs accredited by National Accreditation Board for Laboratories and approved by ICMR can conduct antigen tests. Antigen testing is paving the way in quick testing of samples. With rising number of infections, ramping up testing is the need of the hour.